Peace be unto you and your family. 11th Chemistry, Unit 2, Quantum Mechanical Model of Atom. In this lesson, now we are going to discuss the 1 mark important questions. Question number 1 is, electronic configuration of species M2 plus is 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p6, 3d6. This 2 plus indicate loss of 2 electron. So before loss electron, now it has 2 electron and its atomic weight is 56. The number of neutrons in the nucleus of species M is, the given electronic configuration is M2 plus is 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p6, 3d6 is given. When you count number of electron, it is equal to 24. 2 plus means after loss of 2 electron it is 24. Before loss of 2 electron, the atomic number of the metal given is 26. The electronic configuration of the atom having atomic number 26 is 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p6, 4s2, 3d6. Atomic number 26 is given and mass number is also given as 56. From this, how to find out the number of neutrons? Number of neutron equal to mass number minus atomic number. Mass number 56 minus atomic number 26, that is equal to 30 is the number of neutron present in M2 plus ion. So what is the answer? C is the right answer. Second 1 more question. The energy of light of wavelength 45 nanometer is. These 4 values are given. Now I am going to solve the lambda value. 1 nanometer equal to 10 power minus 9 meter. E equal to H mu, we know the formula. H and mu equal to frequency of light equal to C by lambda. We know the value of C and lambda. H is a Planck constant 6.626 into 10 power minus 34 joule second. And velocity of light is also a constant 3 into 10 power 8 meter second power minus 1 divided by lambda value is given as 45 nanometer. 1 nanometer equal to 10 power minus 9 meter. When we solve this, 1 3 is 3, 1 3 is 3, remaining 1 15, 5 3s are 15, 1 15 is 15, and 4 15s are 60, remaining 6 62, 4 15s are 60, remaining 2 26, 1 15 is 15, remaining 11 110, then 7 15s are 100, 105, and the answer is 0.4417 into numerator 10 power minus 34 into 10 power 8 and bring the 10 power minus 9 to the numerator 10 power plus 9. That is equal to 0.4417 into, this is 10 power minus 34 into 10 power 17. So equal to 0.4417. When you add these two, you will get minus 17 equal to, bring this point 4.417 into 10 power minus 18. We can write this answer as 4.42 into 10 power minus 18. When you cancel the unit, see here, 1 meter, second power minus 1 is cancelled. The unit of energy E equal to 4.42 into 10 power minus 18 joule. Where is the answer here? 4.42 into 10 power minus 18 joule is the answer. Third one word. The energies E1 and E2 of two radiations are 25 electron volt and 50 electron volt respectively. The relation between their wavelength, that is lambda 1 and lambda 2, will be E1, E2 values are given in our one word E1 by E2 equal to E1 equal to 25 electron volt divided by E2 equal to 50 electron volt. When you cancel 125 is 25, 225s are 50. So E1 by E2 equal to 1 by 2. What is the energy value? Energy equal to h mu according to Planck's quantum theory, or E equal to h into c by lambda. So for E1 write hc by lambda 1 divided by hc by lambda 2. When you bring to the numerator, lambda 2 divided by hc equal to 1 by 2. hc get cancelled. Therefore, lambda 2 by lambda 1 equal to 1 by 2. On cross multiplication, we will get lambda 1 equal to 2 into lambda 2. Lambda 1 equal to 2 into lambda 2. Lambda 1 equal to 2 into lambda 2. Answer B is correct. Come to question number 4. Splitting of spectral line in an electric field is called magnetic field Zeeman effect, electric field Stark effect. Splitting of spectral line in magnetic field is Zeeman effect and electric field is Stark effect. Then, based on equation E equal to minus 2.178 into 10 power minus 18 joule, Z squared by n squared, certain conclusions are written. Which of them is not correct? Which of them is not correct? Equation can be used to calculate the change in energy when the electron changes orbit. This is the correct statement. For n equal to 1, the electron has more negative energy than it does for n equal to 6, which means that the electron is more loosely bound in the smallest allowed orbital. So, this is a wrong statement. How? For n equal to 1, the electron has more negative energy than it does for n equal to 6, which means that the electron is not more loosely, strongly bound in the smallest allowed orbital. So, this is the wrong statement. This is your answer, incorrect statement. The negative sign in equation simply means that the energy of the electron bound to the nucleus is lower than it would be. It would be if the electrons were at the infinite distance from the nucleus, also correct. Larger the value of n, larger is the orbit radius. All these are corrected. So, the incorrect statement is B. Question number 6. According to the Bohr theory, which of the following transition in the hydrogen atom will give rise to least energetic photon? So, here the difference between levels are 5, 1 to 6, 3 to 5, but the next levels n to 5 to n to 4, n to 6 to n to 5. Now, we are going to calculate the energy value for these two transitions. For n to 6 to n to 5, E6 equal to minus 13.6 divided by 6 square and E5 equal to minus 13.6 divided by 5 square. E6 minus E5 equal to E6 minus E5, highest minus lower equal to minus 13.6 divided by 6 squared minus 13.5 divided by 5 square. When you solve this, you will get 0.166 electron volt atom power minus 1. See this value, 0.166 electron volt atom power minus 1. Come to another one transition. N equal to 5 to N equal to 4. E5 minus E4 equal to, directly write the formula, minus 13.6 divided by 5 square, 25, minus 13.6 divided by 4 square, 16. When you solve this, you will get 0.306 electron volt atom power minus 1. When we compare this with this E6 to E5 value, so this is the lowest energy record value. So answer is N equal to 6 to N equal to 5 is the correct answer. Come to seventh one, assertion reason. Assertion, the spectra of He plus is expected to be similar to that of hydrogen. Correct. He plus is also one electron system. This is also correct. If both assertion and reasons are true and the reason is the correct explanation for assertion, this is the correct one. Because helium atomic number 2 electronic configuration 1s2 after loss of 1 electron, it containing only 1 electron, helium plus only 1 electron, similar to hydrogen 1s1. So A is the correct answer. Come to 8th one, which is asked in NEET question. Which of the following pairs of d orbital will have electron density along the axis? Along the axis means dx squared minus y squared and dz squared. These orbitals are present between the axis, and here d z along the axis, between the axis, along the axis. These two pair orbitals are present along the axis. Two electrons occupying the same orbital are distinguished by spin quantum number. We know for the first electron the spin quantum number is plus 1 by 2, second electron the spin quantum number is minus 1 by 2. Question number 10. The electronic configuration of europium atomic number 63, gadolinium atomic number 64 and terbium atomic number 65 are europium, gadolinium, terbium are F-lag element. Europium atomic number 63 electronic configuration, xenon atomic number 54, then the electron enter into the s orbital 4s 6s2 5d0 4f7. That for gadolinium exactly half element 64 in 4f black element. Xenon noble gas atomic number 54 6s2 4f7 5d1. 54, 58, 60 and atomic number gadolinium. 54 plus 10 equal to 64. Terbium atomic number 65, next element. Xenon atomic number 54, then the electron enter into the 6s orbital 6s2 5d0 4f9. 54, 63 plus 2 equal to 65. The correct answer is 10, 4f7 6s2, 4f7 5d1 6s2, 4f9 6s2. This is the correct answer. Question number 11. The maximum number of electron in the subcell is given by the expression. Actually the formula is 2 into 2l plus 1. When you multiply this, 4l plus 2 is the answer. C is the answer. Then For d electron, the orbital angular momentum is, what is the orbital angular momentum formula? Root of L into L plus 1 h by 2 pi. This is the formula. We know for d orbital, for d electron, L value equal to 2. When you substitute this, you will get 2 plus 1 equal to 3. 3 into 2s are 6. So root 6 into h by 2 pi. Root 6 into h by 2 pi. Answer D is correct. Come to question number 13. What is the maximum number of electrons that can be associated with the following set of quantum number? N equal to 3 means third cell, L equal to 1 means p orbital, minus 1 means x or y. In px, the maximum of 2 electron can accommodate. Only p means 6 electron, but there are 3 orientation px, py, pz. For each orbital, maximum number of electron accommodated is 2. So the answer is 13. C is the correct answer. Come to 14. Assertion. Number of radial and angular node for 3p orbital are 1 and 1 respectively. The radial node formula n minus L minus 1. 3p means 3 minus p orbital, 3 minus 1 equal to 1. So this is correct. Angular nodes means L value. For p orbital, L value equal to 1. Come to the reason. Assertion is true. Number of radial and angular nodes depends only on principal quantum number. This is wrong. This also depends upon the azimuthal quantum number. So assertion is true, reason is wrong. C is the correct answer. Assertion is true, but the reason is false. 15. The total number of orbitals associated with the principal quantum number n equal to 3 is. Principal quantum number n equal to 3 means L 0, 1, 2. L equal to 0 means s orbital, p orbital and d orbital. L equal to 0 means m equal to 0. There is only one orientation, therefore only one s orbital. L equal to 1 means m value minus 1, 0, plus 1. There are 3 m value, therefore there are 3 p orbital, 3px, 3py and 3pz. L equal to 2 means minus 2, minus 1, 0, plus 1, plus 2. Therefore 3d xy, 3d yz, 3d xz, 3d x squared minus y squared, 3d z squared. How many d orbital? 5 plus 4 equal to, there are 9 orbitals are possible for n equal to 3, 9 orbital. So what is the answer? 15A is correct, 9 orbital. If n equal to 6, the correct sequence for filling of electron will be n equal to 6 means, so this is 6s, 6 minus 2 equal to 4f, 6 minus 1 equal to 5d and 6p. After filling 6s, the electrons are entered into the 4f correct, 5d correct, 6p. 16A is the correct answer. Come to question number 17. Consider the following sets of quantum number n value, L value, m value, s value. Question is, which of the following sets of quantum number is not possible? Not possible. N equal to 3, L equal to 0 means s orbital, L equal to 0 means m equal to 0, s can have plus half value. So this is correct. Question is wrong. Wrong answer. N equal to 2 means, L equal to 2 means that is d orbital. There is no 2d orbital. This is the wrong one. And n equal to 4, L equal to 3 means f orbital. For f orbital, L equal to 3 means we know minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, plus 1, plus 2, plus 3, plus half. This is the correct one. Correct? Then, fourth one. Come to fourth one. n equal to 1, L equal to 0 means s orbital, L equal to 0, m equal to 0. Therefore, this is wrong one. L equal to 3, L value, there is no 4 for L value, only 0, 1, 2, 3. If L equal to 4 means G orbital. So, this is also not correct. Second, fourth, fifth is not possible. Come to question number 18. How many electrons in an atom with atomic number 105 can have n plus L equal to 8 value? Atomic number 108, the electronic configuration is 5f black element, radon 5f14, 6d3 and 7s2. We have 3 orbitals. Orbitals are, we have 5f orbital and 6d orbital and 7s orbital. N value, L value, n plus L value. First I write n value 5 for f orbital, L equal to 3. N value 6, d orbital, L value equal to 2, L value 7, L value 0, s orbital. Here 8, 8, 7. 5f orbital, total number of electron is 14, and here 6 plus these two are 8, 8. Question is asked here. See here, L plus L value equal to 8, we have 2 orbital. D orbital, how many electron we have? 3. So 14 plus 3 equal to, here 2 electron, but this value n plus L value is not equal to 8. So not we don't have this value 2. For n plus L value 8, total number of electron 14 plus 3 equal to 17 electrons are present. 17 is the answer. 18, B is the correct answer. Come to question number 19. Electron density in the YZ plane of 3dxy orbital X is 0. That is 0. For xy orbital, YZ plus in plane is a nodal plane. And if uncertainty in position and momentum are equal, delta x and delta p are equal, then the minimum uncertainty in velocity is, we know the uncertainty principle, delta x into delta p greater than or equal h by 4 pi. In our question, both these are equal, therefore delta x equal to delta p into delta p greater than or equal h by 4 pi. Delta p square is greater than or equal to h by 4 pi. Delta p value we know m into delta v, therefore m squared into delta v square equal to greater than or equal to h by 4 pi, or delta v square equal to h divided by 4 pi into m square. I bring this m square to the right hand side, or delta v is greater than or equal root of h by 4 pi into m squared. Delta v is greater than or equal 1 by 4 root is 1 by 2, m squared root is m, into root of h by pi. Answer 1 by 2 into root of h by 5. 1 by 2 m into root of h by pi. C is the correct answer. For 20, question number 20, C is the correct answer. Question number 21. A macroscopic particle of mass 100 gram, we have to convert the gram into kilogram, and moving at a velocity of 100 centimeter second power minus 1, convert into meter, we will have a de Broglie wavelength of. So mass value given is 100 gram equal to 100 into 10 power minus 3 kilogram, and velocity is given as 100 centimeter second power minus 1, we have to convert centimeter into meter, 100 into 10 power minus 2 meter second power minus 1. Lambda formula we know h by mb. h equal to 6.626 into 10 power minus 34 divided by m value 100 into 10 power minus 3 into v value 100 into 10 power minus 2. When we solve, 100 is nothing but 10 power 2. 100 is nothing but 10 power 2. 10 power minus 2, 10 power plus 2 get cancelled. 10 power minus 2, 10 power minus 3 equal to 10 power minus 1. When we bring to the numerator, it becomes 10 power 1. Therefore, the answer is 6.626 into 10 power minus 33 lambda wholly meter. But in our problem, it is given in centimeter. Therefore, equal to 6.626 into 10 power minus 31 centimeter is the correct answer. Lambda value 6.626 into 10 power minus 31 centimeter is the correct answer. Come to question number 22. The ratio of de Broglie wavelength of deuterium atom to that of alpha particle, nothing but helium nucleus, when the velocity of the former is 5 times greater than that of the latter is deuterium D12 and alpha particle nothing but helium nucleus. See the mass number. Lambda 1 deuterium equal to H by M1 into V1. Lambda 2 for alpha particle is H divided by M2 into V2. Ratio lambda 1 divided by lambda 2 equal to reciprocal of this M1 V1 divided by M2 V2. M2 V2 by M1 V1. So 2 means our alpha particle mass equal to 4 into deuterium mass equal to 2 into velocity of the former is 5 times greater than that of the latter. That is given. Lambda 1, lambda 2. That is equal to 4 by 2 into 5 are 10. 4 by 10 equal to 0.4. So, ratio of deuterium and that for alpha particle equal to 0.4 is the answer. Where is 0.4? This is 0.4 is the answer. D answer. Come to question number 23. The energy of an electron in the third orbit of hydrogen is minus E. The energy of an electron in the first orbit will be. We know the energy of the electron En equal to minus 13.6 divided by n square. Energy of the electron in the first orbit equal to minus 13.6 by 1 squared equal to minus 13.6. This is E1 value. Energy of the electron in the third orbit equal to minus 13.6 divided by 3 squared equal to minus 13.6 divided by 9 or E3. Given is E3 equal to minus E. What is E3? E3 equal to minus 13.6 by 9 equal to minus E. Or minus 13.6 equal to, bring this 9 to the right hand side, minus 9E. What is minus 13.6? That is equal to E1. So, E1 equal to minus 9E. Energy of the electron in the first orbit equal to minus 9E. Where is the answer? Minus 9 is correct answer. The time independent Schrodinger wave equation is H cap psi equal to E psi. Which of the following does not represent the mathematical expression for the Heisenberg uncertainty principle? That is delta x, all these express. Delta E into delta x is greater than or equal to h by 4 pi. This is not Heisenberg uncertainty principle. So, in this video, we have discussed all the 25 questions from Unit 2, one word question, important questions. Thank you for watching. If you like, please subscribe.